Dongguan Thriving Metal Parts Company Limited, Tmetal, is a professional OEM/ODM manufacturer focusing on mold and die, metal parts and plastic parts manufacturing, offering one-stop solution from custom design, prototyping, CNC machining, mold design and manufacturing, to large volume parts mass production. Tmetal has our own mold tooling shop, die casting shop, CNC machining shop, sheet metal fabrication and injection molding shop. All your mechanical parts can be made in one place at our factory. This could help saving your project management cost and time. We have advanced equipment, including Fanuc 4-axis CNC machines, Japan brand 5-axis CNC precision automatic lathes, turning and milling integrated, which are full automatic machining from raw material feeding to products finished. The high precision and high efficiency enable us to make good quality products in very best cost. Tmetal has 2 units of CMM for precision products quality control. The larger CMM could inspect maximum 2 meter longer. Our professional, efficient services can meet the diverse needs of multiple industries. Our products has been exporting to Europe, North America, Australia, and all over the world. The industries including automotive, aerospace, medical, telecommunication, construction, marine, bathroom and kitchen hardware, water supplying system, and lighting system. We aim to provide faster, viable engineering technical solutions to our clients to save their time, energy, and cost. To make them more competitive in the market, fast delivery and competitive price are our advantage. Welcome to call Tmetal, your mechanical parts one-stop solution partner.